Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Turkey, and today we are back at our construction site here in Malta in Antalya. And behind me you can see the progress of the building here. We've already reached to the top floor as well, and some of the roofing works have been started out already. We've got our walls here. So this special material that is being used in Turkey very normally is called pula. So this material is breathable and it's light, easy to work with. It's most commonly used here in Turkey. Among others, there's also a different option of material as well used as well. But this one is more common. There's, just from the purposes of, easy to work with, easy to mold, lightweight, and doesn't have a very heavy effect on the building. So now, as you can see, let me show you now the progress over here. Let's take a walk around of the construction site. So as you can see, they have brought out all of the things over here. So now we're going to show you the Merhaba, selamünaleyküm. Nasılsınız? İyisiniz? Nasıl gidiyor işler? Okay, so now we are in this phase. Basically, the structural, the gray structure is done now. Now they are doing the walls here basically. As you can see, they will start mixing this sand and cement, and this would then be mixed and then made into this harch, which is called a mixture, which is then applied on this. Let's go to the top. Wow, this looks amazing. To be able to walk here, I mean, this was in what state it was, and to be able to see how it's done. Oh, it's getting dusty here, but this is the earth grounding wire. This would be connected again to our system here, electricity. Here you can see they have an opening here. This is for the entrance actually. This is where the entrance is going to be, the door. So you've got that opening till the top. So from here you're going to enter. On the left side you have the living room and kitchen, and the living room is now leading to the swimming pool. So kitchen will be somewhat here, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. This will be the living room area, and living room is leading to the pool basically now. So here, and then you've got a bathroom and a bedroom in the back, if I remember correctly, on this side. And then you've got, now we're gonna go upstairs now and show you how it's looking upstairs. I think they've got the plans here probably. I think this is the floor plans you can see. They've got the Duvar plan here. The rooms and each and everything is here. All these things are located here. Let's go to the top. Oh, check it out. Okay, beautiful. So this is where all the bedrooms are gonna be. So basically we've got 3 huge bedrooms which are gonna come on this floor. Look at the amount of space we've got here. This is gorgeous. There's tons of space all around. They've unloaded some more sand here. I'm guessing they will bring back the cement. You can see the neighbors' beautiful pool here, landscaping done all around. Check out the nice columns, very nicely done, very smooth job. We've placed ample amount of structural support for the structure, for the building here, for the villa, and you can see that according to the construction. Let's go up and see what's happening up here. Okay, so we could actually go on the roof itself. Nice, look at that. So here you can see they've started to fill up some of these things, the formwork for the sides, and then they're going to start building up the roof on top. So as you can see, our neighbors, they have the roof and the sidings done, the borders. Similarly, here we will have that done here all across. We've got this whole section would be roofed up But right now, if they had the permission to leave this open as a open terrace, that would be amazing. But unfortunately, the municipality here does not have that. Check out this view. This is a gorgeous view. So on this side, you've got just beautiful forest. This land actually in front of me, here will be, there is actually a sale here. This is for sale too. So if somebody wants to invest in land, it's more towards the right hand side. That area is available for sale. So you can build multiple villas there as well. And also, I don't know if you can see towards the right, there's also a new villa which is being built all the way there. So this is freshly done. As you can see, this is drying up nicely. So here we are, basically. You know, this is our project. This is, I believe, part 3, if I remember, part 3 now. And I think we've come quite nicely this far. So if you are looking to get into this sort of project, if you're looking to build rather than buy directly, if you're willing to take that leap of faith with us and build a beautiful project such as this one, which is coming across very nicely. We've got other projects on the way, which I'll keep you posted on. So yeah, I would like to invite you to be part of this, be part of the, this great journey, and keep following us, subscribe. And of course, if you're interested in building, then definitely get in touch with me with the contact number below, and we can discuss further. All right, take care. Peace out.